Etiosa. Hello, good afternoon. How you doing? So I don't dey live. Good afternoon, Etiosa. Let me to share the video I dey share for this. I don't even know say I do. Let me to share the video. Thank you. Why Sebo? I be one even join put on join YouTube. I just enter Facebook direct. Problem not there. I'll transfer them. Normally, if I dey do, I'll join her to YouTube. No problem. Hello, my people. How na day? The sun wey dey here today, no be smarty. Iye wa fi Lusana. So we dey here today wa fi Lusana. How na day, my people? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Because I dey share for this time, okay? Mona no verse. That make me another look una dey come. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How na day? Hope so na day fine. Let me to share the video. My people, if you want to contribute, you can call in, okay? Una see wetin dey go on. So I was like, me not even know say something there, okay? Because I just do my video, just they come up for there, they carry what I want to. All right, you can, if you want to contribute, if you want to come here, you feel just send me invitation, I will accept you for here, or you feel come my WhatsApp, you know, you get your opinion problem on there. Even though say I not put my number for them, but the number is in my page, which una know. So I come the waka they go, now I can see say something is going on. I can say because me I know say Esther do video to make peace with people where be say she don't offend, you know say this life you feel the thing say you not offend anybody, but inside some people go there where be say you offend. All right, and they come here, I put my, and they come here because if this phone they ring, I not go know. Me I put on in case if it they ring me for no. So sometimes you know say you offend somebody, you not go know say you offend them. But the person will come, they like, Munjo Mure. Okay. Esther comments. He asks, he tell people, say, oh, man, yeah, well, why we offend you? Why good and fine? Why you bomb? You know, not be something way bad, though. Share this video as you are calling me, okay? You can call in. You can also send me invitation here. If you don't want to call in with the number, you can just send me invitation, then I go put you in. You are free to talk your own, because many people they will be say that they watch us, no. Some people not get the they not feel contribute, you know. Like me, if you want contribute without no insult, problem no, they talk with it, they your mind, problem no, they will go. Now so we take the do for you. So when I come they see say, what it can they happen? Why this paper Juju can't come out again? You know, because me I do not even know. I can say, what it can they happen? Why Juju paper can't come out? I can see say, even put the person where even talk about the waiting make and go bring Juju paper come. You know, I'm saying this life, this life of a thing. If you they do something, una ze we ni because this one now, una know everybody know say Esther Edokpayi matter is like I don't know as I take talking go ne download there, okay? Na ya matter be. Una know say go na be that go this bed, okay? Anywhere bed dey na go na pe ni. You must make go you must hear say okay go river ni. Na so Esther Edokpayi matter be. Okay, this lady come and say okay, I want peace. No matter say wetin he do a parakobe. Because me, I even talk about this issue, the time when she do the peace. I say, a parakobe don't still offend many people, okay? Which I know, say, he go forgive her. Because the way where I started talk that very day, talk and say, the day where she go a parakobe place, a pass say, Esther, come on for inside rain. If person not love you, remember one thing, if person get you for minds and you know one make peace with you, maybe you not can't get misunderstanding. He go tell you get man say at any time where this person take on. Even though say I dey his house, I no dey his house, tell the person say I no dey. So the gate man go just kukuma just tell and say, a pyro wa, oh we no bani yesema, ani here wero wa. Maybe sometimes he go dey his house. But as far as saying don't reply, say, but you want mere, but he can't get in one. It's like, he might say, you understand? Over way, it's not matter. When small pikin do something, no? If he tell you, say, forgive you, you need to give am small punishments. You understand? Now a pa give am. It's like small punishment. I don't want to put the gate for you. You know me say the gate. I not go open now. Okay? Now that in me. In case you don't know. You say, you know. It don't matter. He want tell you, say, next time. You understand? Maybe you get the way where you take offend the person. You know something like that. It did. Because everybody not be the same. The way we take the verse, not be you take the verse. Some people, if you just go tell and say, I bear no verse, you go tell and say, help me, Megije, I don't forget since I don't throw away. So when I start do this apology, me even know say, in saga. Because no, say saga not come day again for any corner now. I know say this thing, it go turn to maybe saga. Instead of you people to say, this woman, you really do well. Because not be everybody. Some people they go say, you know they feed me, I know they feed you. I was there don't know me. Help me with that no way. Or how am I me it's still there. Some people be like that. It go right on with your life. But this woman come out, come say, okay, you only make a piece. Everybody they play. But yes, you know, those people will be saying entertainment. They need to know, say, normally they don't need to quarrel. And they because of a position in Angie. Because me now, I feel say, okay, I love this person. Then maybe this person when me love with the other one, they can't quarrel. With that one, I'll come they use one kind say because I belong to other, but now one like and now like pass. It don't fear not before. It do alele not ba. It still they happen like that. But this one where be say this woman come out. You know why? Because Esther, as you God bring this juju paper, because too much of everything is bad. Okay? Because when you they talk something or now you tell all the time, it's like maybe you really know something. Okay? Because the person where be say talk now, it can't be Godfather. So Esther need to know, say, you need to confirm, you need to tell me why you're on here. Because as far as say, you with your Godfather, when they talk, maybe now he tell you. You understand? So if maybe some people they will be say that they blame Esther, say, if he did, say, why you go bring juju paper, this one, that one. No, you need to clear the air. Because if I don't do something, and the person will share this video, my people, and the person will be say, me don't me well. Many people hate. Of course, I know, which is very bad because I'm not being moju high. Okay? I'm not being moju high. You not feel hate person because of say you just see the person. If you not like and good and fine, they go your way. Probably not they carry your walla, they go. It not mean say you must love everybody or you must like everybody. Some people go there here now wait for social media. Wait, not still like me, but I never even talk to them or anything at all. It's normal thing, no. But so family you carry your walla go. Do your wet do yari a woman one. Now so it be. Because I know say most of them they not go like them. They go say they not like. If you not like them, good. But carry your walla they go. You know feel like everybody. I want to agbo yeseti le we mi no veje agbo me ya said only here. Me yeseti we mi no agbo ya fe. No, it's normal thing if you not like person, but ya so leave that person may they go. Okay? Because this thing of juju paper, me I just dey ya buy. Why? If you ask me, say why? Because when something done too much, is getting too much or spoiling this woman, they say, if they carry people, nay. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, Tinatango. How you doing, my sister? You are welcome. Thank you. God bless you. When something done too much, then they talk all the time, say, now so they carry people, nay, they go juju. You need to prove it. Because this time around, Esther, anybody wait to say you they carry people, why are you bebo ginya? And all those a bebo, I make an anari bebo ginya. More na put on for 100,000 if they want to answer. Okay? Because not be everything where your eyes see. Sometimes say, your eye no even see. You say now your mouth want to talk. And now you ready for the payment. Because all these juju people, they really need to increase the thing. Those people on abroad night and day. So far that they do social media, problem not day. Okay, you want the court person body, they put waiting you not even know. Or because of say you want get views, problem not day. Should be that they pay you. You go pay the money. So it good make all this Ayelala people, Konorwe, and all this where they call people, more increase the money. Because when they don't pay 100,000 just to present your name for them, just go answer 100,000. I know it's 100,000 now. So if they knock back, or so maybe every month or ya told you man be on a so if 5 months or away 500,000 or la janet be you go close the month. Because it's getting too much. Why when you the PC sound without you not even get proof. You not get proof. Even though sometimes say you go even get proof. I you one. They use and send you message. Eh? So this one where we say Esther can't bring paper, can't bring Juju paper. Me, I just love her and I like her. Okay? It's getting too much. One and not the spoil people name again. Because well everything, the thing one and not see, none of the thoughts on see. Eh? Or because of say to spoil person name. Because when I even read that, I was like, oh my God, which can't it be this one? You go comment. You go comment. You say that is a good evening. Esther should do the needful. She took A.K.A. You carry and go see her for here. Because I go look her. Because when they talk and say go give paper. Now I say, why you go give person paper? What it can happen? Now I come see and say, okay, see where and more things have been done in secret. So Esther know where Esther what make she know. What did she do hide? Because why say theater making way get what I do hide. That's why they carry people name. If now maybe A.K.A. or if it's a go son or there, Esther need to know. Esther, you just do and well because you need to clear your name. Because any I we equal woman. Because if he still be now say maybe na godfather na tell godson say you know why I no want forgive her because of person tell me say he carry my name go. If he be say na so it still happen. Okay, so she need to know one year we nye galerie ni omanjo di area ni omanjo don't when all this one na person wey be say if person call you for juju place many in need peace. Okay, you want me no don't tell me no some people they no go call you or ya mwe bog bejo aragele mi we merie ni o ma be na ina de ya kan o imari ejo zeba me o si I nen bon e bo when na so yeah because ebo ya sie me because if you know say you not do something a problem you don't have your bojo uvon but if you know say this thing now more go bamani the best you work money egui then you return then you turn back. Because all these things of with the thing where our people they do is like I don't know as I talking. If you hate somebody, must you go put life for the person head? I don't understand though. And especially this case now, you don't get with him do anything to do with you. Person will even get the quarrel. He never even receive paper. I may receive this one I be the thing where be say our people they do when me I don't like. You with this person never get issue one-on-one. And they talk all the time, say social media, if you see something, maybe person will be say, maybe you know even like us small, and I mean where zona dore, must you take her like say now you and any work kind? I don't understand though. They go carry on, like say the issue now between you and that person. In ya amwe na me go they even answer say, okay, so west with the person. The person now carry on instead of you to carry the issue, analyze and the way where you take see, and you say now your opinion, good that fine. I got my bad opinion, woman. Then you live there. No, our people know they go carry on. Yeah, you cocky ya mwe there, and ya mwe ya wado de gala. They how can they go? The thing go they even they surprise me. If you go look at Esther not be presenter, A.K.A. not be presenter. If the lady come and say, la wo, why agree have man your offend? Let's go people give answer must you come out to say, were you there? Were you there? The answer is no. You're not there. I don't know magic don't know any now they do. This is what and they do. It's not good. Then they make people they talk say, Bini people. Anywhere around, maybe you want to do saga or you want to do content. You can do it with other people, other things. Not be back to open person body. Just poke. No, not be everybody will take out. He go draw you. He go draw you. Olakoko ate Esther. Where Olakoko ate Esther. I know they watch that Olakoko, okay? Because me I know when I go home, me I know they like her. I know they like her. The truth of her cannot. I remember that time we carry Esther Edokpayi and Ebony. I was like, what do you they do, Seth? You not get woman for us. All these men will be said they'll carry woman matter. Yeah, and when they total way, this person, even though say you be presenter, even though they even bring something come for you. Take her nowhere well. Just talk as more than you come up for there. Especially when be say the person, you know they on media, you know they do social media, they do it in. If they do it, you know they do presenter. Why tie here? That one just they come every blessed day. Message to Asaba, message to he give them many names. I was like, oh my God, which can't be this one? I think be a man. Wafu leg buwa. Una no. See this woman that very day. Me I quick talk this one. What do they call her? What do they call this woman? Yeah. Could this song that woman will be say if they do live video? See the way it say insult beneath people. Men wait there for inside. Although not be everybody they talk to. You understand? Because of all these things what they do. You not go see Yoruba man where they do live video. No one will be there and they go carry put for it, go they draw and they go. You not go see. You not go see Igbo person where be so go carry matter where be say no even concern. Just because of saying you want analyze. Oh yeah, you go. Oh yeah, you not go see. But for it when it comes to our own men, the way they tell they carry on, not be their fault because person will not get work. From morning to evening, day for inside house, not be trouble, go define they go. No harm here. As if we still see the trouble, why we mudiajo? And nobody will come to us say, what the person do no good because no kwe na wa vai benari enyeju we no muhia very on it. No day. You get where when you go do something, who is ye gbe who we understand? What is there when you is ye gbe who one not many cake be? Gume see I or my gume go on makame me with a not get issue. It's just because of say I see something, you want more go marifo. Now they cause all these things so. Now make me I know the pity most people when they say hey the person joke by or maybe home your wife your man yore because most people waiting then they use their hands say they do all worry not be everybody go bring Juju paper come for you. Oh ya mwe bog bejo bonoto agagele mie we matter e uzebane. Or to zeba ne gagele we of your bojo or mugbegbe. That's what they tell the cause. If you want cause, the bonny gele ato, why can't veil mugbegbe, umugbegyo wawe. We yoni. No, I'm getting a boy at all. Nothing say all this one. Ununa agwe see me. If you talk as more, you come up for that. Come up for that. If you hear somebody, what did the person do? You like this Olakoko where they say hate Esther. So if you ask and say Olakoko, best time what go there. What go where there to boo where you will be say you want the we ya go where you there. Jenwa ya we me mona you say they do something. Una no one here. Only not be because of say una one con they insult all this our superstar, all these people na they him we. O ma make wa dey say una dey intelligent. O wa we mani here do wa we magboto wa we una dey feel say una dey do good thing. Or maybe una want make people they hear una name. Or maybe una want make people come they watch una. What of the day where you not con insult those people? And I did don't watch. Let make me the talk even though say na one person. Good and fine. I not come here come they carry me. I just carry I could become and just now come they iwa do anya guy. Or go me me no master. Or I go carry Esther come I go designer. All because of say I see something for social media. It do gbe one worry. For waiting now. For waiting. When are you sense? Think when you total where if now you there for this person's shoe, then go do unto you. The answer is no. The answer is no. I want that mukbohi ayelala paper don't jump come out. Can't you think? Why think? Agboya take nonsense in. Obiere take the nonsense. It's not too much. When it's something any na idungbe. If you want to do what you want to do, good and fine. Because here we no man you just see me negbe. Now what you know now you want to you don't know just see me negbe. Because na was eba me na ize unwa ekwe. So the best thing we maybe no heke no wa. And all those people wey be say ayelala this thing. Wari go nya Shebi they say they get money. Shebi they not put anything for here beg. Because if you get the money, go spend that for them. O ma na iti atie we ba webo. I want 100,000 or 150,000. No do ya kwenye yes. It what? So you carry the money, go give them. Instead of me use the money to eat or to buy something for your children. So ya money ya mo doni. So now I'll like when so next time you not know where can no heke no guanse, can no ma heke no guanse. Una ojo de even why na wa do why I vomit When na ke go home where this woman they carry people go chiran or money. So come and prove it. Just so go and prove it. If na ko better you good and fine. If you read you sit there say e go father meta mare no or be jane yagbon yo. If not be we to me zeba we when you time ya be bani we why gwi izo e bai then we are live video content people say ucho uja zeba wanna stop am. If they talk to una not the here the one way they pay me for inside una still get mama una still get papa for inside enyo jari oja everywhere because una there for abroad, nothing so na no go Nigeria again. Most people wey be say they even they talk to Esther say, "Wa hiya una we hiya, una we muhiya." Eta ya Esther ni moto nesta muhiya. Inye egbai. Not be from Max. Egbai. What it be all these things? Because una there for abroad, why they really respect name and not can worry respect na? When person not do you anything, leave that person alone. Just withdraw. Leave the person alone. Oma so we swear. Oma no swama so adaji. Una go help person. All because of say you if you they talk about that person, when you can't see where Esther go ne dolo de no. Almost all of them because they be that all this our entertainment about with drama. Once you put their name, you call their name, people go vacon, especially I want to Western, the area where get us be. Why it be like that for now? I be when area milk bomb I walk over do, I don't understand though. Okay, can I be milk bomb and no ladian where or you can have a ladian the voice or no, our people they will like to destroy the career. Iya manasio mani digiene ni ya yotono gbebi they will never hear some money ai iya si ai eri oheke noje iko abungbe won me arwa wo idere. Good afternoon Stella, how you doing? Mona help me share this video. Iko abungbe won me arwa wo idere. It's getting too much. This one at 2023 abe mi naka be we ni gbera ne. Okay, give we go ave forget and just let's go like that. You cannot start it again the January what da be mukbo no, because once you don't talk and the other person go still carry. Oh, lakinya go. Esther, anybody go bring a survey, what survey, straight and direct. I give only that way. I get that way because all you are clean anyway. Umana show him, they no say you sabi talk. The thing say, go me wa ba oge here. Omanu we ba oge here we are go. You come the thing say, hey, now your village people, whereas now what you use your mouth and no boy I see all Happy New Year, I greet you. Do you understand? Listen well. Any year anata when my village people as sometimes what you use your hand with your mouth do, it go they worry you. Not saying everybody your hand or your baby. No. Oh ya gwine no there you get away. Nana mi wa ina ye hia na egbe magi yo kin ye mo agedi an ya mo agobo no pa o ya gwi ne mi no de no se we a enu ago hia you know o se we enu ago hia we do aso yo se ro when no worry we because wait you don't use your hand with your mama see as you fine. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Say as I find today. Thank you. God bless you. That's why I be judged. Sometimes our people they make person they go, you know, is no Emma. No, now waiting no good. I be bini, you be bini. Okay? If maybe Esther do me something now, if I want carry matter, me I go from January to December because my war make bevo, you know. But when it not comes to, you know, because I see it matter for social media. I don't feel carry me, I go they sell and they go wild all day, my from January to December. No. And I wait go make me say I even hate you. Some people go just carry matter and me where you upon the even they imagine say, my people, it's getting too much. Wakirevo is not bad. Emma. Every na argue wa money down. At least I'm a walk on gabe well okay of a day. Person need peace now. Una want turn to saga again. Oma need a peace. Oma reke do adeni una not get a topic to talk about. Or here ni wetin ye do imia. Instead of not to say wow. Oma very not settle la dia very not do ta we ye do ye gwale peace. I need peace, you know. Wait till I get it's just that sometimes you will just need that for yourself, you know. And this person don't say where the beggar, no green. Okay, me and your kukuma doing like this. Maybe it will still accept for them. Or because according to the video where she do, if you don't know Maya, wagume you understand? She voiced out say, okay, wagume maybe while you know by it go see here. It go say, okay, I don't see here. You know? Na make all see on na welandia. Awa me do ton na ni ando ya we saga. De nyoma no iri ehia. Abe start that you say, ri me ya tell me that you say, ane ave nyoma no view ahia ni. So no make na tamawe. No ri we so ton. Ave mani ni then you go back then say why we make ni jare ni ahia. Now some me they talk my own because you know if you just sit down for inside your one room, you they give who are tell you know why because of say you want talk, you just they talk about that bidi come out for inside mouth. Una believe so na no go that bini again. Let me kuna they do all these things where we they do. So at least unless say because of say a paper not there, I don't know when I'll take go, I not go again. I maybe yana no wa onania. All of them na ya rowa. Oh ya howa. Esther go see you tomorrow now. Eya we see ya way because you spoil a name for social media. Or because of say you want make money. And later now say na saga. You get where they do saga. Wahane no ma we saga. Do one with the truth. Now that one be saga because when they do a yoga Yahweh saga, boha go e gbo mufua say saga. Na so e be na. If you want to do something, say okay, emina na you only lele we drag you follow that person with the truth. Not follow one with oge because on a bug bejo everybody not be the same. Ya we tag baby ribiri. Cause e so waro e gbo mo emi no wa worry hoy. Nye kwe be ha mo no we ma we. Emi no wa worry hoy. Now those people wey be say go come and go tell you say see wetin I want do. So no they talk. O say we no agbeli kian e to wa jin ya train. Okay wa je ni ya ari ye bai. But e bai no uri esota. Uri esota make sure we u vomit e. Wa de do de igwe. You see some people we be mama be e die enemy e die knockback because e no you know where you drag you know. O wa kwe alerun say akweta ma we o mama no offend you go come dey talk say imama ni offend do mani you offend because o gbera gbiri no yen no kin wo we why gbera gbiri ne why yen no kin so it better 2023 now where we just dey so stay your lane. If you see something talk wetin you want talk not ba ma oge e to oge jo ma gbe nu gwa na no mu kian no ya so wu then we ya ta ma ni be no ba lo mani e go still do you in egbe wa na o me wu we ni egbe wa ti we ni ya so wu ya me wu we nu bi a de ja so why is there so wa u so wu o ma go wa go na the feel say you do not reach to talk to me, you do not reach to do this one. I don't know as I say talker. It's not because the way people say they carry that woman matter. Why get ya gbuwa for real? Wa gbuwa mufua. Ya we no ma gyo ma ba ogbo ma. Ya we uputu mana gye we ba. Ebe no re rio igbewe. Eri do high because when the something done too much, it's getting out of hand. Withdraw from there. Why we ma on wa withdraw? Or igbuwa on why withdraw? Wanna leave Esther alone. All those people will be say they know they do presenter, they do their thing, and then they make imanya sonye negbe. So wanna leave them alone. If people carry their matter con, why worry bajo? Because a mason no when the matter you wa sugar ni avio you welcome abuse. Because now we no biezo gbe no yari abe ni no yari saying ha tamowe. So beware if you dey talk people all these people issue after I say wa be takere u drop. Throw away. I'm not going to because in the way I will wear, no, they do others. Because the way when I tell the carrier starting is getting too much. When what tell you aware, no, we are a face ladia, now you got him. No, but many don't know when on ma. We know say, oh, you know what our bunse. Or bunse, because we now send a saga. Agbo yalele we saga we wa ba ogine utane ma we. Later you go tell and say, ah, mama egui sorry na saga. The saga agbo egbe hiwe. The person will come tell you saying don't forget. And don't go like that. And all this apology of nyama apology why bomane ogba yeke why well do ha man we na egui. Not be everybody or hama when they go in when they know where the or you demand of it. For it, and you know why we wear the or why you remind of it. So, my sister Esther, Edokpayi, I bet if you see this video, Mona help me send this message, go give her. Continue with your peace, no harm make with Akoberian because Eriana na bonje. Emi no hama, no zagani, no riani, only yagwal, only yakboboji. We all know. Say some of them, some of them. No ma money, yakboboji. Mamia no money, yawo. Na wari yawani under 5 minutes awa go yawa hey, they go full for there. Yeah, whatever. Na hydrology ni miobo. So the piece in higher make with a park obe. Continue with it because in my way everything will be okay. Your man see where you see where but anybody kimeno guana in a bawo my sister. The ebe wa the egume or ye wo. Not look anybody because the thing want too much. The thing want too much. Bamba na swen. Na ya toge. In most of una will say, why job why jogging knockba, e kimi no viene on a quawe, or ya jolly benji good and fine, na swan, Abijima, very madima, Ianjo, yes, ye. Oh, when I be momo. So, or man, no, me way, or he way a music on a dojo, or do I sing a be how? I told you I don't like benji, so come here, win it down. And then me nobody, even Gori Shakobe, you want to tell me, say, AJ, yes, so well, Baba Nagbe, and Momo. Now, what do we know? That beyond this one. Not be where I don't say, we bonnet about to claim me, say, hey, God forbid batting, hey, God forbid, but if you don't go by yourself, your mama, they run out for you. Your mama, they run out for you, your papa, they run out for you from one corner. For real. So sometimes wa we nyati na wa be ko be awe kere iya we mi no ma oja ko ya oja gba ogegbe na wetin you know the church wa be jo bible wa be temo emi nu anything they no pa be ya o be ya nware o emi nu wa be anything I gbo for ma jo so for marijaria and I hear me you woman okay. So Esther, as you talk for that your video say anybody, we saga was no matter about we saga Esther, okay? You are too big. Ukpologbe no do we saga do total. O do ale lo ma sili ni e o. Una wa mi anybody no wa ba wo ohe. O wa ko wa ri epeke, wa save letter wa ri begie. No do tell na wa emi. Emi nu no na mi we mi no jo no ya tani. No do tai ekenu wa we na gbadue because when sometimes gba we my bania wa wo gba akia no me ke na do tai no ya sunu we. Na so e bi. Emi nu we ho ya se me na gbe we. So all these things where our people they do ave people we be say ave na me we here with ma. Here we have swene. January wa be swene. Ave swene. Nobody know how can buy you. 7 years by sena awake yes aga so vie refia wazo boy o ma no sa boy blessing me nu han we se na me wado se digin eye ma yu won Esther wu we me o ga se wu we o sa boy be gboru no anybody the social media no wetin yen we presenter na me yan present o saga noro le liyan gbagban me ado me we do total udo awe eriono don't do it my sister una wa bege yan wa eko wa ba wo giasin wa eko wa ri ba ni peke before you know why ko ri beg your money we no do ya answer emi no ese no do time okay because yan okutu ma get we ban ebenori eni we igbewe emi no ma gya na pa ogbon wa hu o ma ajo boya se fa no wa we emi na zio boy wo benu kesi me se mi uwe o ihupo wo tan se benu po we tan se ni okian unu do ya answer 2023 awada lao ono na a gift ebe I mean I want to you want go iji more time again o we bi me we hian me don't do it But we social media ya we here. Ona we here ne nokpa we here ne nokpa. Oma no wa me mi egbe wan no wa do bo mi wa ko mi egbe wan no wa. E obi era di ju. Ama ezo ni maka we. O maka we. Ona la dia we nyere do make peace. O ma dan le nu a. E wo. E to we na ya no furu ofuru aro. O we no furu aro. O ma no mi we wa gi yo oni do so point yo. Igbenana almost to go ahead. Igbenana almost unwe wo ma ni ohun dan. O ma no ma o ne wo den. Unwe wo ma ni ohun dan. So my people are not just to not get that time like that. I don't talk with you I want to because our people that they make like that woman will come out that day, he insults the Benin people. I was like, oh my God. I see that video, but I know say no, they talk to all of them because of somebody go there, go comment. Some people you will go, I don't know why. Now go person platform. Platform is like, okay, as me they talk now. It's like I did my house because this page now my house. You will go there. The woman never even open mouth to. You know why I see a bonnet and I'm not know what to write for them. On that because he read the name saying I'm Benin person. On that bonnet. And why I gave me any not tiny or matter because I'm not even 8 hours. The day I be see or winner at least okbia no gele okbia okbia no okbia at least your day work by this time. We may who don't say we know the work say we sit down for us is we go understand no odon leniji better that fine oji wona yari gore better o give you women no very on na tie boni ya me dere oni na tie boni ya o matter abi gbe na ebu no kon yo kon re yan ga le ni so ho yan awina even 4 hours keka yeah ejo so far yan wala live video wa gbo me na ge kita or phone yan why I don't know what they teach people okbia not bia ton wina okbia not bia even though say na 4 hours go and work so why you wa ho man wina problem iro ogba oge mo odoluwo waji o wa no na later inwina nifi but we not bia not total you wa from January to December you know they work wa we na ro gbadu ge we wan kan o do afi lu pege Esther wabi ago ma wakebi apushe Nigeria niji oma total ye webu Naija oje. Wanna be careful this 2023. If you know why they go won the best. If you not be careful, wanna be careful. Because wama na miok boma. I don't know why they na nyo do worry one. No. They on your son no wa. I don't know. If you not don't hear people whether they hear their name. Wama jeni your money ya hears any anti and not turn not baby. Una not they leave the person alone. No, they leave. Especially as this woman come and say, okay, I can't apologize. Okay, can I go? Yeah, what if you born a leg? La wo, this one, just leave this woman, may everything, may peace day. Gawa forget, talk about my yahin, my only my way, me waku. No, una go must go there, go they tell and say, I get kwe, dano, nene no, not ba no, no, all these things, it's not good. It's not good. Emma, wa kirevo. Emon wa bien ya wa kan ya se o mekeni ya be se wa ekenu we ma se ni ya han se. Nu we me se ba ni ye beti wi we ahia se ba ni. Wa we hia no ma nu wa ma ende. Ije no bi we hia ne ma we. But o no so dem me wa do we hia ne. Because of waiting, because you want to make people they hear your name. Say walk bomani say why bomani the live video where unyaka who bole egbewa then where love ye egbewa who we even no kwama degbu ohun unwe o man you yati ebona because o man no ekoto tag o man go egwa. Mona be careful. Be careful. I'm by with live video. Do it in a way. Na haya si we bossy we here. We ko we baba ni re. Na we mami wa we mi o do ya time na we ya mi o. My people, may I live una me and go where I want to go, my people. God bless you for being here because nobody said they go here o iyan hu ni an wa le wa ku e o pe kenye abi ma ni re iyan no re kenana ri bebo ni wala ogogo wala o wa make sure wa increase ne go. Because ewe bona hinya we heset it your manore webo ezo no kama we no 20,000 o manore Nigeria we no 20,000 no ya no re Nigeria wa ti ato eni because eni igo egunya mami ye what your my ezo we mani webo oje make sure we are from 150,000 eya hando ya hwen ya mana hwen ni oya wa we no heke yes because unu ya gbiyan o ma 90 years on ya we adenya wo ba na oge ona e 150,000 la dia avec 100,000 o e ke ni go ni ke pa avec pore o we de ti yen ya unu yen na ya gbe ye gbe o ma gbe ye gbe di gbe son ri do me ye ona la dia avec pore o e no wi yen. My people, God bless you for being here. Thank you. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye for now. When I share this video, okay? Bye.